My friend, do I have a goodie for you? I'm gonna show you 8 ways to use this. Also, I'm doing a giveaway. 5 lucky winners will receive this sent to your home. It is so amazing. 8 ways right here. They call this the miracle cleaning paste because it truly is. And my friend, it absolutely beats baking soda and vinegar. I hate to say that because I do love baking soda and vinegar, but I've done the test, tried and true over and over again, and always was out. Look at this. I love this stuff. You're gonna love it too. We're gonna attack this oven right here. You see back there? Back there, yes. Now I did try a different product right here. That's also a miracle cleaner. No, it's not the pink stuff or baking soda and vinegar. It's something else. I'll link that video in the description box below. You're gonna wanna know that. And by no means is this video sponsored. I just like to share the good stuff with you. 99% natural ingredients, environmentally non-toxic, non-hazardous formulation, not tested on animals. I'll have details for the giveaway at the end of this video. Let's just get in there. Look at that. That is burnt pork grease. By the way, this is a #1 bestseller, has over 154,000 ratings, and look at how many stars we got. Got some paste here on this dirty oven cleaning sponge. You can also use this on the glass. You can see my glass is looking pretty decent. That's because I use the other miracle cleaner. Haha, no, it's not Dawn dish soap and vinegar. You're gonna put this all over your oven that you need to clean. So my entire oven doesn't need to be cleaned. So I'm gonna show you the spot right here because we have 7 other places that we are gonna be using this amazing stuff. So I'm gonna let that sit for a hot minute. And when I mean hot minute, I don't know, 10 minutes. I lied, we're just gonna let this sit for like 2 minutes. Mama ain't got patience to wait around. So I'm just gonna rub this in. This is not abrasive, it's just the soft side of the sponge. Rub it around the stain. Now I got some warm water here, as hot as that I could get it. And watch what happens. This is gonna be super satisfying. Look at that, we just have some here in the corner. Just wipe that away, that's looking pretty good. I got a few spots right here. Now, you're gonna wanna get one of these. You can also use this on your glass. Anything I talk about is gonna be linked in the description box below to get these remaining pieces up. Yes. Now that is looking so much better. I mean, look at that dirty water. Now, that right back there is a different story for a different day. Nothing is worse than cleaning your oven, but the outside of your door looks dingy and nasty, as you can see right here. The problem, it's in the inside of the glass. Now I did make a previous video showing you how to take this off. However, on this particular oven, I don't have a device to get in here to unscrew it because look at the space right here. So you're gonna get yourself one of these. This handle is fully extendable. Go gadget handle. Again, this will be linked below in the description box. You're gonna wanna put it in between here. I'm gonna show you before and after. You're gonna wanna slide it down in here and then through the back side, but this is totally flexible. Now I like to add a little something on here, a little extra love Windex. This is microfiber, so you can wash it. Do not wash it with fabric softener. Can you see that down in there? Looky, looky, looky. Yeah, she getting shiny and clean. And from this angle, yes, I am pleased with that. Burnt on, stains, and rust. Love this egg cooker. I make a whole batch of hard-boiled eggs every single week. By the way, if you're new here, I run a YouTube fitness channel. I will link in the description box below. Elite Fit with Andrea Jean. Put it on your burnt spot or your rust. Let it sit for a hot minute. Wipe clean. You may have to do just a little bit of scrubbing depending upon how bad your surface is. Look at that. And I will put this back for next week. In fact, I checked today. This is currently on sale. Yes. Got any badly watermarked glass? Indoor, outdoor, shower, sink. This works perfect. Rub it on, let it sit for a hot minute, aka about 10 minutes, and then wipe clean. Ho ho ho, how about this beast right here? Shiny, yes it will be soon. Got really stubborn watermarks? Combine this with the razor blades I just showed you. Saucepans, true test. Gone. Don't mind the weird lighting here in my shower, but this also works great on stained coffee mugs, shower heads, and soap scum. Do you see all that in there? Yes, look at that. Put this on there. Look at that. Weird yellow and pink. Not anymore. Need to whiten some shoes. Ready to donate these. My daughter grew out of them. Like new with minimal effort. So what can you not use the pink stuff on? Cautions. Do not use on plastic or acrylic surfaces or highly polished stainless steel. But do use on saucepans, cooker tops, sinks, UPVC, barbecues, ceramic tiles, glass showers, garden furniture, paintwork, boats, brass, rust. The list is endless. Now if you'd like me to send one of these free to your house, 5 lucky winners, here are the 3 simple things that you need to do. First, give this video a thumbs up and then comment winner winner chicken dinner. Sign up for the free weekly cleaning hack newsletter so that you'll be the first to know. And last but not least, like the Andrea Jean Cleaning Facebook page. In the next 2 weeks, I will draw 5 lucky winners and share that in another Amazon giveaway video. And if for some reason you're watching this after the 2-week mark, I would highly encourage that you do sign up for that weekly newsletter so that you can be aware of future free giveaways for you. Now, once you've done all that, click the video on screen now and in the description box below. I have amazing Amazon kitchen must-have items. I also have a giveaway going on in that video too, and it is good. Here's a sneak peek of what I'm giving away to 5 lucky winners in that video. So essentially, you have 2 chances to win some really cool stuff.